This is CAD drawing part 2, making an exploded view. This will be done as a presentation in Inventor. So if you go to Inventor, remember we made the puzzle cube assembly. So this is where we put all 5 pieces together. They're all constrained together. What we're going to do is, once we have that, we can go to File and New, and we're going to go down here where it says Presentation. You should only have one selection, the standard IPN. Double click this. Okay, and then if you're working in the right folder, you'll see your puzzle cube assembly that you've previously put together, so you open that. Okay, so here is our puzzle cube. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit using Control and Scroll wheel. And now what we want to do is we want to pull this cube apart. So I'm going to call the we'll leave the green piece in place and we'll pull everything away from it. So I'm going to use the function tweak. So we click on tweak and you click on a part that you want to pull away. You have 3 axes. So as I drag this, you can see that I can move it left and right. I can move it up and down, back and forth. So I'm going to pull it out and push it back a little bit. That's the blue part. And then the pink part, I want to grab it and pull it straight out this way. And then the orange part, why don't we go this way? We're going to pull it a little bit this way and a little bit this way. And is that what we need? Okay. So that's pretty good there. I thought there was another part in here. There should be one more. And so let me spin this around. There's a yellow part in here. Okay, so somehow I grabbed both at once. So just like all good things, NX, this will Control Z a couple of times and make sure we only get the orange part this time. So here's the orange part. We're going to tweak and we're going to pull it forward and to the right. Going to go back to my home view and let's pull this more to the right, and then we'll pull the yellow piece out straightforward. So I can show how all of these pieces are joining in with the green piece to assemble. You'll probably want to mess with this a little bit. You want to have it where they're separated so you can see each one, but they don't overlap. So I'm going to squeeze things in a little bit. That's probably okay. So when you're done moving stuff around, you click on the check mark, and now you have an exploded view that shows how those 5 pieces go together to make the cube. Save your work. So File and Save, and then let's call it Puzzle Cube Assembly Exploded, or Cube Exploded. Be sure you're using uppercase letters. And save it. Ta-da!